Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really did know you.
So you moved on to the next vlog. Had a good time for my husband's birthday and my birthday. We're in the office. My office is being transformed, you guys. The maid cleaned up my office. The kids messed up my office. I don't know how they get in here, and I'm closing the doors. The toddlers, it's the babies, it's my grandkids, and it's my youngest daughter. But then my husband came down here and straightened it back up. So yeah, this is how we look, you guys. And there's no inventory here. And I'm gonna tell you why there's no inventory right there. And it's because I've decided that I wanted to switch up my store. So I went from selling regular clothes to drop shipping off of Shopify to saying, hey, I want to do my own, shipping. I want to mail off my packages to my customers because I want them to get it within a week. That's what I'm trying to do. So now, I decided I wanted to have a t-shirt store, and I wanted to empower women and men, and I wanted to give so much positive energy and so much just empowerment, motivation. So that's what I'm doing now. So you guys are going to see a big change. I've already gave some of you guys a sneak peek on my Instagram of the stuff that I'm putting out. You guys are ready. You guys are ready to purchase, and I'm liking that because it's a partnership. Legally, no, but it's a partnership because I need you guys to support me and to support what I'm doing for you. Lifting people up, helping people out, and giving back to my community and helping me and my family out. And I'm a black owner, I'm a woman owner, so it's hard for me to get grants and funding, but I am doing what I'm telling you guys. I am going out there to organizations. My husband just pulled up, and I am going out there doing pop-up shops. I have groups that I've been invited to, which I am going to join. Women empowerment groups, small business owner groups, black business owner groups, and just the pride of me being a black woman. So you guys stay with me, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on with my business, what are my plans, the new t-shirts that are coming out, and my nephew just got here, and so we're going to be taking him to some colleges and getting some things done. So I want you guys to follow along and come with us on that journey. Alright? Let's get to it.
called? Those are fraternities. I got you there. Those are fraternities. Cool, huh?
Going. Looking good. Looking fat. Stuffing. Oh, I know that's the greens. You can't see it because it's all fogging up the camera, but yeah, you can't see that. My bad. It's hot. It's hot. Got some of these sweet potato pies by Patty. Y'all can just feel like it's right there in your home. Look at that meat. The starting of banana pudding, y'all. The starting of banana pudding. Chef Burr Sean here. Oh, you look kind of cute there. You look kind of cute there. Chef Boradi. Just hit my camera. Are you insured? It's supposed to be survival. Now I'm really gonna sit. Stir it good. Ah, stir it. Stir it real good. Stir it good. Stir it real good. Stir it good. Am I gonna get a copyright? Cause they keep copyrighting me, y'all. Look at that steam over there. That mean we cooking. Look at this kitchen. That mean we cooking. Cause if your kitchen is too clean, that mean you ain't cooking. Cause you gotta get a little bit of something somewhere. Whipped cream on it. Put some whipped cream on this. I taste it, y'all. It's all over my camera. Y'all can't see. It's all over my finger too. Look at that. You know where that's going. Fire. Heck yeah. Nice and firm by the mark. Look at them cookie crumbles. Cream on it. Alright, y'all. We are officially done. Got the yams. Got the potato salad, greens. I even made a salad. Crab in that. Alright, so everything you see me do today is samples. I got a lot of samples coming in. I got a lot of stuff coming in that I'm just trying out to see if it works, if the transfers are good, if the cups are good quality. Here's a cup, it's empty, and I'm about to make me and my husband a cup. Empty, clean, nothing in it. Great price for me. And I'm gonna be adding this to it, and it says open it. It says thank you on it. I bought it from another small company. So this says Ultimate Boss Babe, and of course that's gonna go on my cup. This one is for my husband. It says I am a black man, powerful leader, intelligent, ambitionist, and blessed. So I'm gonna be putting that on his cup. I got some more designs coming, and I'm gonna add that to his cup, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So the cup is not completely finished once I put this stuff on, but it will be, and I'll show you guys that.
She's working on 3 things right now: herself, her life, her happiness. She is me.
Broke bitch, high heels, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne.